Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install Farm Heroes Saga application on your Android device. First of all, unlock your Android device and make sure that your device is connected to a Wi-Fi or mobile data and has enough storage space. Now open up Google Play Store from your Android device and then in the search icon at the bottom, type down Farm Heroes Saga. Look for this application from King and then tap on the install button to start the download process. Now wait for the application to get installed on your device, which will take a few minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once you are done, click on the play button to start the game on your device. And there you have it. That's how you easily download and install Farm Heroes Saga on your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.